Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible and visible to you?
Yes, Ekta, you are very much audible.
Thank you, sir. So let's start for today. Good afternoon, everyone. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, myself Ekta Thakur from Hey Foodie, welcoming each and every one of you to the very own show, that is the Healthy Chat Show. Today's guest of honor is Chef Dr. Varinder Singh Rana. He is Dean at School of Hotel Management, Airlines and Tourism, City University, Ludhiana. He is passionate, resourceful, and innovative professional with 19 years of experience in academics and industries as well. He has authored 12 books and 21 research papers. He has bagged two silver and a bronze medal at an international culinary challenge. He has also served as a head chef to the President of India and also to the President of Afghanistan. His biodata is so rich that it cannot be summarized within few minutes. So, on behalf of Hey Foodie, the whole team of Hey Foodie, we welcome you, sir, to our show. We wish and we hope you acquire more and more success in life, and we pray that you inspire the surroundings as well. Thank you, sir, for coming to our show. I would like to pass the limelight to the host, Ms. Didipriya, to the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Ekta, for such wonderful introduction. Hello, sir.
Hello,
Am
hello
I audible and
Didipya.
visible?
Yes, you are very much audible. Your name is Didipya.
Yes,
Didip.
sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. So, sir, shall we start?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Dedipya, and I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you for this Healthy Chat Show. So, sir, before we start, I would like to tell you in brief what Hey Foodie is all about. So we are a food tech company which is trying to create an awareness amongst the millennials and especially with these students through subscription service and nurturing them for a better future with healthy, hygienic and fresh food reminding them of their maa ke haath ka khana. So sir, we provide a medium through which people can inculcate healthy eating habits in their day-to-day life and hence may be aware of its importance. So, sir, I would like to start today's session by asking you that as we have seen that I was going through your profile and I saw that you have more than 19 years of experience in academic and industry career.
Yes,
So, can you just put some light on your
yes.
journey, sir?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, I would like to congratulate the host, Mr. Himanshu Wadhwa, for hosting such a wonderful show, and Ekta for narrating my profile in very impressive way. And again, Didipya, thank you so very much for coordinating me from last 2 3 days. And if I will talk you about myself, I am a person who like my native place is in rural belt basically. So I am from basically rural, and then we shifted to metro city immediately. Like it was a surprising moment for me when I shifted to a city from a village. Then I studied in a city. Then again I got chance to study in South India. So I did my hotel management from Bangalore University in 2001, and then I completed my master's degree from St. Peter's University, Chennai, again in from South in 2012, because from 2001 till 2012 I was very much busy with my professional career. And when I shifted to teaching in 2008, then I thought I should have master degree. Then after completion of master degree, I took admission in MIT University for doctorate program, and I finished my PhD last year only. And throughout my career of 19 years, I started my career with Royal Orchid Park Plaza, Bangalore. Then I worked with Taj Western Bangalore. Then I also got chance to work with Punjab Tourism. I was the youngest general manager when I joined there. I was just 23 and a half years old when I took that property, and I worked there for 3 years. Then I also started my own venture in between for 1.5 years. Then I shifted to education. From 2008 till 2020, I am into education. In between, I emphasized on Indian regional cuisine, and I created 7 Limca records, which are only dedicated towards nation, and all records are only for Indian food. Like if you talk about the largest aloo paranta, so that is with my name, 32.5 feet longest aloo paranta. Then we have maximum number of halwas, maximum varieties of samosas, maximum varieties of pani puri, golgappa, or maximum varieties of raita preparations in 2 hours. Then largest kathi roll, largest Indian bread. So all records are dedicated towards nation. So that is from my 19-year career brief.
So,
And
sir, firstly, congratulations. Oh, please continue. Please continue.
yeah, yeah. In between, I also got like a chance, which is my lifetime memory. I got chance to serve President of India, late Shri Pranab Mukherjee, and Honorable President of Afghanistan, Dr. Hamid Karzai, at one moment. So I was head chef during that event. So that is again, I feel proud of my profession that I have served to the first citizen of India. And during this. Last year when this Apache was launched at Pathankot, so I was again the head chef during that event. So that again I am so excited, and you can say I'm so proud towards my nation that I was the part of these 2 events.
So, sir, firstly, congratulations on all the records. I hope like you make more records, like making us proud. And sir, secondly, I found another thing that like somewhere we have something common, that is Bangalore. Like I'm pursuing my studies there, you pursued your studies there, so
Yeah,
it's like a common thing between us.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
sir,
I've been to your
moving forward.
university. Yeah, I've been to your university when I was student. I
Oh, okay,
participated in
okay. So
like
this
your
is
annual
another
event.
common thing.
Yes, yes.
So moving forward, sir, as I
Yes,
was going through your LinkedIn profile, so
yes,
I found it little interesting. Like I saw that you were like, with Master Chefs of India, like which whole nation is like proud of
yes,
and are like crazy about them, like Sanjeev Kapoor and Kunal Kapoor, like
yes.
all those very, very reputed personalities. So, sir, how is your feeling? And like, are they exactly same? Like, how they are shown on the television and in reality, are they same?
Yeah, yeah. I met Chef Vikas Khanna in 2012, and he was like, I'm General Secretary of Chef Associations of Five Rivers. Like, Five Rivers is association of chefs from Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh, and again Himachal Pradesh. So these five, where the five rivers flow, so we have a chef association, and he was our first member of our association. When that time I was joint secretary. Later on, I became as treasurer. I served as treasurer to that association. Now I'm general secretary. So that time when I met him, he was so humble. Again, on camera, and his personality suits like he is similar on camera as well as on real life. I met with Chef Kunal so many times. I met with Chef Ranveer Barat so many times, and for whole day or 2 3 days we were together at events. I met Chef Sanjeev Kapoor so many times. So on reality, they are more humble. On cameras, maybe they we for TRP or some kind of to make that show popular. Sometimes we have to do something, showcase something extraordinary. But on real life, these chefs are so humble, so friendly. They are friendly in nature. They are mixed with each and everyone. Chef Vikas is so humble. So when he was launching his book, so he actually handed over the book to each and every participant by himself, by writing, by clicking photographs. So he said, चाहे 1000 है चाहे 2000 है, whether it will take 2 hours or 3 hours, कोई बात नहीं, मैं यहीं पे हूँ, आप जितना मर्जी टाइम ले लो. So no issues from my side. So I was so surprised to see his nature during that.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. Like you are one of the luckiest person who can meet that those kind of personalities. Till now, we didn't
Yeah.
get to meet them, but
So
hope so. We
definitely.
someday we'll meet.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
We will
sir,
arrange events you can meet.
Surely, sir, surely. I would love to participate. So, sir, moving further, what are the changes you observed, like from the past years till the current situation, like in your profession? What are the things which you saw that changes coming through the years?
Yeah, so like when I was a kid, I was like in class 2000, that during that time till my like till 1996 I was not aware with China. I took admission in hotel management. Few things were like new to me, and that time it was not heavy to go out or dine out, and it was started like in 2010 onwards, like when this master chef came into existence. Like when I finished my hotel management, I went back to my city, and then I again once I went to my village. So somebody, one teacher asked me what you have done. I said I have done hotel management. अच्छा हलवाई का काम करना था तो यहीं कर लेते, वहाँ इतने की क्या जरूरत थी? तो यहीं कर लेते, इतने सारे हलवाई हैं उनके साथ सीख जाते, इतना कुछ करने की क्या जरूरत थी? तो आई सेड नो नो, आई फील प्राउड कि मैं हलवाई हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. तो लेटर ऑन जब देन दिस मास्टर शेफ इवेंट स्टार्टेड ऑन टेलीविजन, एंड देयर वर सो मेनी खाना खजाना और मिर्च मसाला बाय शेफ राकेश सेठी. So these shows came into existence, so people realized the importance and about this profession. So they were very keen कि ये तो बहुत अच्छा respected profession है. And the incident happened in 2009. The same teacher came to me and said कि मैंने अपने बच्चे की एडमिशन करवानी है होटल मैनेजमेंट में. I said सर छोड़ो, हलवाई क्यों बनाना है, उसको यहीं पे बनवा लो घर में ही. There is no need. So this if you see the trends 10 years back or 15 years back, there were no such hi-fi restaurants or marriage hall or palaces or convention halls. There were few like community halls, and people, they were afraid to enter inside the five-star hotels. They have maybe fear that maybe they have to pay extra if they will inside, or they always feel hesitant. But now every single child is going inside and taking selfies, whether he is taking the services of restaurants or not. But everything is transparent from media angle. So now people are much aware. They are from shows, they are learning the new recipes, they are learning the new terminology, they are getting ingredients at their place, they are experimenting. And now everything is like you can make it at your home. Now trend is back. Like from 2012 onwards, we started striking on the word sustainable cuisine, sustainable food. Because being chefs, we saw a huge change in our food from 2000 to 2010. People, they were like very much, they were behind continental food during that 10 to 12 years. Now the agenda was that during that time to go back to the basics again, because now after 2012, when we hosted chefs conclaves, we strived on this word sustainable cuisine, seasonal, we have to go by seasonal food, regional food or seasonal and local food. Then this again, the coffee shops, the five-star hotels, they started promoting ghar ka khana. And now in Delhi or in Bangalore, in all coffee shops, in multi-cuisine restaurants, you will find that ghar ka khana in buffets. So people, they are out to have those kind of foods because they are getting restaurant food at home, and now they are dining out to have ghar ka khana. So that is the change which
Definitely,
has been
sir.
happened.
Definitely, definitely. I agree with this because while I was in my hostel, we used to crave for home food. So we used to go there out to have that. So, sir, I won't ask you what did you learn. Like, did you learn to cook or not in this pandemic? Because you are an ultimate chef, we know that. What is your learning during this pandemic, like in general and in life, like in
Yeah.
view of your life?
Actually, Didipya, what happened before pandemic? I was much involved in administration. So I was taking care. I was dean at university. So I had to look after so many things. So that was managerial and administrative work, and I was looking after the chef association. So I didn't get chance to cook like once in a month during before that. But pandemic started, so I got offer from Amul. So I did a show in the first, so started promoting regional food. So if you see my series 15 or 6 Amul during these days, I have not made anything from continental or another region. I have just promoted Indian food and desi food, rural recipes which I have given are from homes, and the 5 6 ingredients which are available at home. So I try to create recipes from them, so that so I got lot of learning during this pandemic. I saw the chefs, celebrity chefs coming onto that immunity boosting food and promoting those ingredients. Why? And this time I have developed so much of content. I contributed through because I am also writing a book on Punjabi cuisine. So during this pandemic, I attached more into cooking, more and deeply, you can say.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. So, sir, what are your go-to meals? And are you a foodie? Like, see, most of them think like I am crazy and I'm asking you this, but
Yes.
then most of the chefs don't like their own cooking. Like, go and eat something. They're like, I'll make other person eat, but I don't want to eat.
No,
So,
no,
are you a foodie and
yeah, and I always want to explore food. And like in 2018, we did a series also. I did a together, did Jugalbandi and explored Rocky and Mayur. So we noted only the locations which providing regional food. So we learned so many things from them, and definitely we got chance to create recipes out of their food, and that is a wonderful luck we got. And the chefs, those amateur chefs, you can say that the unsung heroes, those who are the master chefs, basically those who are making the dishes from so many years, they are real masters. Actually, we are just multitasking, we are making each and everything, but when you learn from them, you learn the reality of that dish, what kind of experience people are getting from that dish. So we got lot of learning from them, that emotions goes inside the food. And there is, like, I met with one lady last week only, Miss Amrit, and she told me that when I cook food, I always talk with food. I always say, "Sugar, I'm putting you. You have to create sweetness in life. You have to create happiness." So I thought, why couldn't I try? So this last show, I also tried to that. I am putting salt in my brain. I was talking. Now you have to give a little salt to my dish. Don't give extra salt. So she said, she told, you have to talk with ingredient. You have to, when then you can serve the happy food. And definitely food is, when we explore, we deliver, and through our these tours, we also give learning to others, like we also promoting. Yes, I mainly love, like, the food which is regional in nature. Last time, it is not like that I have a same kind of food which I want to have. Like, I want to explore the regional dishes. If I go to a restaurant, I always tried butter chicken, because there are so many varieties of butter chicken. And he has ordered 2 3 dishes. There is no need to look at the menu. Just we always see and again say, one kadai paneer, one dal makhani, and one butter chicken. But definitely we I personally loved nihari from last so many years with kamiri roti. So that I am having, like, I always love to have that dish, and it is again in my mouth all the time. So now I should try the Kamiri roti and nihari from this restaurant and that restaurant. That
wonderful, sir? Wonderful. So, sir, nowadays depression is like a topic which is like everywhere. And do you think food is somewhere related to depression? Like, there is link between them?
yeah, food is basically, your moods comes from food only. आप एक पेशेंट को खाना देते हो तो आप उसी तरीके से देते हो. व्हेन ए चाइल्ड टेक्स बर्थ, तो उसकी माँ का खाना जो होता है उसके बेटे तक या बेटी तक कैसे पहुंचता है आपको पता है कि उसको वही खाना दिया जाता है, नहीं इसको ये नहीं देना है, इसको ये देना है। अब वो तो बच्चे तक जा रहा है, हाउ दैट इज गोइंग, यू नो, इट द सोर्स इज फूड ओनली। And when the mother cooks food, she always prepare food with happiness, whether that she is preparing for her husband or for kids, or she tried to put love, which is the secret ingredient every time in the food. So that food which we eat, we always spread love. But during like stress, we yes, food is the main source, is giving you mood, and when you are making food your mood should be happy. It is not like that you are sad and you are cooking for somebody else, then you are spreading sadness to others. And don't put that unhappy moments in the food when while you are cooking. And again, when you are having food, respect food. Yes, when you start eating food, always give respect to food, because food is life. Food is one of the basic need of human life, where first fundamental needs. So before maybe Annapurna, we always say ki goddess Annapurna, we have to respect ki we are doing each and everything for food. Whether I am a dean at university and I am getting some money from here, or salary from here, that I am having only for to have 3 times meal. So meals we have to respect, वी डोंट थ्रो फूड, रिस्पेक्ट फूड। और सबसे बड़ी बात होती है कि जब भी वेन एवर यू हैव फूड, हैव विद हैप्पीनेस, तो वो हैप्पीनेस आपके अंदर जाएगी, फिर वो स्ट्रेस नहीं आएगी। और स्ट्रेस आप खुद देते हो, माइंड, फूड इज ऑल अबाउट माइंड एंड सोल। तो आत्मा को तो हैप्पी करेगा, लेकिन यू आर हैविंग फूड विद अनहैप्पी मोमेंट्स, तो आपको फिर अपने आप ही स्ट्रेस आएगी। तो फूड इज हैविंग ए ग्रेट लिंक बिटवीन योर मूड्स।
Bilkul, sir. Bilkul. I agree with this. So, sir, like, do you think, like, in this pandemic, schools and colleges have started in online, right? So, do you think that after this pandemic, like, post-pandemic situation, like, does these students will actually be, like, can adopt that thing from, like, from online to offline, like, with full safety and security? Because people nowadays are really scared to go out.
Yeah. हर जीत के बाद ही वो एक हार के बाद ही जीत होती है, ठीक है, जा फिर जीत के बाद हर बार नहीं आप जीतोगे, वन डे फिर भी हारना पड़ेगा। तो इट इज स्पीड ब्रेकर है, फिर अप हुआ, फिर डाउन हुआ, इट इज मूवमेंट ऑफ लाइफ। Maybe this is the longest time which we are going by this phase. Otherwise पहले भी बहुत कुछ हुआ है। Maybe I have seen the terrorism in Punjab during that time. तो हम बाहर ही नहीं निकलते थे 3-3 महीने। I have seen curfew, but that moment was the panic was something different, कि बाहर निकलेंगे तो टेररिस्ट मार देंगे। तो वी हैव सीन दैट, पर उसके बाद हम भी तो निकले हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने फेथ दिखाया था, सो वी वेंट टू स्कूल्स, भी सारा कुछ हुआ है। सेम थिंग हैपन विद दिस मिलेनियल्स और द यंग जनरेशन। मैं भी अभी, मेरे भी बच्चे अभी घर में हैं, तो दे आर स्टडिंग फ्रॉम ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन मोड, फिर वो ऑफलाइन पे जाएंगे। यस, अब धीरे धीरे वी हैव टू बिल्ड कॉन्फिडेंस अगेन, ये हमारे ऊपर ही है। अब suppose what I'll give you one example. During last month, these, like for marriages and all, the strength given by the government decided to have only 30 people at marriage ceremony. Now they have increased to 100 from 21st. So now what, because we have to look at the other angles also, we have to come back, and you cannot come back if we will create panic. You have to create confidence, you have टू शो ट्रस्ट। अब ट्रस्ट एक ऐसी चीज होती है, सड़क पे आप जा रहे हो, सपोज यू आर गोइंग बाय ए कार, तो आपके सामने भी कार आ रही है, आप भी चला रहे हो, तो एक इधर को जाता है, एक उधर को जाता है, कॉन्फिडेंस होता है ना, ये तो नहीं होता कि दोनों के दोनों टकरा जाते हैं। तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस हमें, व्हेन वी हैव टू गो आउट, वी हैव टू शो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, तो अपने आप ही धीरे धीरे आएगा। यस, बट रिवाइवल तो होना ही होना है, चाहे इट विल टेक 6 months और 1 year, बट डेफिनेटली वी विल कम आउट। और वो अपने आप को जितना हम हैप्पी करेंगे उतना ही ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा।
Definitely, sir. Definitely. So, sir, is there anything you do like on a daily basis for your success, like which will help you to reach success on your, like in your work?
सबसे पहला जो है ना, स्माइल इज ए प्रीशियस गिफ्ट गिवन बाय गॉड। अभी आप लोग स्माइल कर रहे हो, यस वेरी गुड। ये सबसे अच्छी चीज होती है कि आपके अंदर चाहे स्ट्रेस बहुत भरा हुआ है, आई हैव सो मच स्ट्रेस, बट आई अगर मैं इफ आई विल शो दैट स्ट्रेस टू अदर्स ना, बाकी भी स्ट्रेस में जाएंगे। तो इफ आई एम शोइंग हैप्पीनेस, आई एम शेयरिंग हैप्पी मोमेंट्स विद अदर्स, तो वो मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि वेन एवर माई आई एम वर्किंग विद माई टीम, आई ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट देम कि अगर कुछ किसी को कहना भी है तो उनको इस एंगल से कहता हूँ कि वी हैव टू डू दिस टास्क इन दिस डिफरेंट वे, ताकि आप लोग सीखो इन फ्यूचर यू हैव टू टेक दिस चेयर और ये कुछ करना है। तो वो हैप्पीनेस जो है अगर स्प्रेड करोगे, अगर मैं उनको डांट भी रहा हूँ तो दे ऑलवेज फील कि सर ने अभी ठीक हो जाना है आधे घंटे बाद, बिकॉज दे हैव दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन देयर माइंड। और सभी को यही होता है कि सबसे बड़ा जो मैं सक्सेस के लिए चाहूँगा, जो बट आई personally do for myself is I live for myself. Okay, so I live for myself, I love myself, and I do whatever I do for myself. And when I do something for myself, immediately that is creating task for others, and that organization is also performing during that day, but I am doing everything for me because I am getting salary, so I am doing everything for me, not for my organization.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. So, sir, we all have our own memories with food, like
Yes.
childhood memories.
Yes.
So, do you have any of yours in which you want to share with us?
Yes, सबसे childhood memory, how I became the first time chef. That is that is a moment. Actually, what happened? I was during that time. I was just like 8 years or 9 years old, and I have two sisters. And my sister, she was 7 years old. I was 9 years old, and the younger sister, she was like 5 years old. And once my parents, they went to to different place for some work, and my grandmother, she was there. My grandfather was not that time, he was not he died before that. And what happened, my grandmother, she told us she will come back after 2-3 hours. So she made food and she kept somewhere, so we didn't find that food, and my parents were not at home. And my sisters, they both the sisters, they felt hungry, and they said हमें भूख लगी है, हमें और वो दो। तो अभी मतलब कि वी वर लिविंग इन विलेज, सो आई कुड गेट कॉन्फिडेंस टू गो टू नेक्स्ट हाउस कि हमें खाना दे दो, हमें भूख लगी है। तो व्हाट आई डिड, आई टुक फ्लावर फ्रॉम दी टिन, और आई प्रिपेयर्ड ए डो। बहुत ही पानी वाला डो बना, वो मुझे डो नहीं बनाना है, 9 years old, सो पानी वाला बना। तो आई रोल्ड चपाती, फिर तवे पे उल्टे मैप्स बनू के नमक और आई पुट सॉल्ट एंड जस्ट रेड चिल्ली पाउडर और पराठे बना के उनको खिला दिए। तो देन इमीडिएटली व्हेन आई वाज मेकिंग, और वो बना किस पे रहे थे, चूल्हे पे, वुड फायर पे चल रहा था एवरीथिंग। देन माय अदर ग्रैंडमदर, जो साथ वाले घर में थे, दादी जी की जो जेठानी थी, एल्डर वन, शी केम एंड शी सेड व्हाट यू गाइस आर डूइंग। आई सेड आई एम कुकिंग। शी सेड पागल हो गए हो, तुमने बताया नहीं खाना खाना था। फिर उन्होंने वो बनाया, मतलब बट माय सिस्टर सेड कि आपने बड़ा अच्छा खाना बनाया, आपने बड़े अच्छे पराठे बनाया, हमें यही खाने। तो वो पानी वाले पराठे खिलाए। तो दैट इज द मेमोरी व्हिच इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम कुकिंग मेमोरी।
Lovely, sir. Lovely. Like, when we hear such stories now, we also feel that, oh my God, these things also happen. And like for me, childhood memories and every memory is related to my parents. Like, they are the ones who has actually forced, not exactly forcing, but then they have encouraged me to go through everything right now. So, sir, like one last question, that is, what is an app and one word which will actually best sums up you and your vision of life?
Passionate.
Oh my God. You're really quick.
The word, so I always said VS Rana is very smart Rana. So it's not very interesting Rana, it is very smart Rana. So, yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, sir, last question, last but not the least, any message which you want to give to our viewers?
Yes, there are so many movements which Indian government initiatives which Indian government has taken. You have to just click on FSSAI website, and there are few posters which you will find from there. I am the master trainer for food safety, so I always tell all of the public or all in on all domains that there is a movement called Eat Right movement, which was started on 10th July 2018. So the under that movement there are so many messages we have which we have to give to the public, like आज से थोड़ा कम रुको. So आज से थोड़ा कम, you have to reduce the uses of salt, sugar, or so oil. That आज से थोड़ा कम, we are not saying that to stop, but more about those things, and you can also start your own ventures, because food is one of the primary need. If you start your ventures with this particular topic or food, so you will always whether you are giving your services, whether you are serving food, you always feel happy. So you will always be attached with it. I would like to share.
Absolutely, sir. So we are like about to end the thing, but then like to show this interview to your loved ones, please share our YouTube page. And to know more about Hey Foodie, please visit our social media pages, sir.
Thank you, Didipya. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Priyanka, all of you. And when this pandemic will be over, please visit our this state. I would be more than happy to serve you, and we will together will have fun, and you will also get some memories